Welcome back to another episode of my solo Philippine Loop adventure tour. This leg of the journey slows down here in Baler. After 15 days on the road, riding over 2,200 kilometers and passing through 20 plus provinces, I needed a breather. And there's no better place to slow down than this laid-back surf town on the eastern edge of Luzon. I'll be staying here for 5 days, another long stop. Baler has been on my bucket list for years, a place where time seems to move with the tide. They call it the birthplace of Philippine surfing, where the Pacific Ocean crashes head-on into the shore, making the perfect wave. Baler isn't just for thrill seekers, it's for the ones looking to breathe. Out here, the air is different, saltier, softer, the kind that makes you forget what day it is. The whole town hums at its own pace, cradled between the ocean and the mountains. Good afternoon. We're at Baler still. It's my third day here. We're at Coffeedocia and ex-Galiuma. May cafe sa cafe bar sa Baler. I ordered some mojos. Mojos. Folded na cheeseburger, peanut butter and banana. Check. Good. I've been staying here for a while. First day ko sa Baler. I think I arrived at like I arrived here siguro at like 1 p.m. Stayed at a different place. Ang sa Andaya Hotel Lodge. Next day, transfer ko sa sa Hiraya. Beachfront pa sa I got the room for a good price the weekday ko nag-start. After that good meal, I went back out to film at Hiraya. With the ocean so close, it was a great spot to fly the trip. A friendly family stopped to watch as I filmed. The boardwalk was full of life. People laughing, kids playing, waves crashing. Sabang Beach stretches about 2 kilometers, a long, lively strip right by the sea. Where the sea meets the soul of Baler.
Good morning. It's 10:35 on a Saturday. It's July 3. So, factor ko sa mga touristy spots sa Baler. Ang bilang ko ay kuya, kaya ko lang sa solo.
Today, I'm taking a short trip to Maria Aurora, about 13 kilometers from Baler. I'm going to see the Millennium Tree, known as the biggest balete tree in Asia. It's a quick and easy trip, perfect for a calm day.
Galaw-galaw lang, sir. Takpan mo, sir, yung camera.
Morning. Nag-surfing na po. Nag-surfing na rin po.
Hindi pa. Pangit yung pakiramdam ko eh. Nakapamasahe na po ako kapon. Siguro lumabas na po yung pagod.
Saan po nagpamasahe? Doon din po?
Doon din po. Nagpaano lang po ako. Nagpa-home service. 500, 600 years. 600 years. Oh. Mas older pa ako. Mas matanda pa.
It's easy to see why the spot is so popular with tourists. It's incredible. The Millennium Tree is huge and full of mystery. Balete trees are believed to be supernatural, so it's a cool experience to actually step inside one. The guides were great, took some awesome photos and videos of me. Overall, a fantastic experience.
So that was the biggest balete tree sa bilog ngayon sa lake. And so far, that's like the second balete tree na nakataon at touristy balete. Alright, back to the highway.
After visiting the Millennium Tree, we're going to the Hanging Bridge in Zabali. It's about 15 to 20 minutes away, another popular touristy stop. The Zabali Hanging Bridge was built to help locals cross the Sabang River. Over time, its scenic views and rustic charm turned it into a popular tourist spot. Now it's both a practical crossing and a favorite photo stop.
I know this much is true. There ain't a single direction that don't point to you. They all point to you.
Finally, we are going to Ermita Hill. I'm feeling a bit under the weather, so this will be the last stop for today.
So, magkano po? Ilo-ilo. Nakikita sa Ermita Hill. Ito one of the best vantage points para sa ilog ng Baler. Nakita ko nila ang whole Baler. So,
Ermita Hill is where history and views collide. Back in 1735, it saved lives during the Tromba Marina tsunami. Locals climbed up to escape the waves. Today, it's a peaceful spot with a killer view of Baler Bay, a small chapel, and a monument that tells its story.
good morning, what? It's 1 a.m. Ano kaya ako pang hotel? Book a hotel at tayo for it was Splendido Hotel 226. Pricey. Pero yeah, it's just part of what it is. It is Tayo is pretty expensive with man. What can you do, dude? Hopefully namin dito. Like, the reviews are good. Expecting a lot. And very expensive.
And that wraps up my time here in Baler. From the calm mornings by Sabang Beach to chasing views at Ermita Hill. This place gave me space to slow down. I walked the swing Zabali Hanging Bridge and stepped into the legendary Millennium Tree. Every corner had a story, surf, history, and local charm packed into one quiet coastal town. If you're ever looping around Luzon, Baler is more than worth the pause.